Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Remember that Satellite we did the video on about a month or so ago, maybe 3 weeks ago? Okay, this gentleman here, Bobby. Say hello, Bobby.
How you doing?
Bobby has purchased this car. Here it is right here, and he's gonna fix it up. I told you folks this was a cool car. You should have jumped on it, but Bobby got it. So we're gonna walk around, give a little walk around video of it. This car is in really decent shape. You gonna take me for a ride in, Bobby, when you get it going? Okay. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I'll do that. We'll do that. We'll swap rides. Lord have mercy, I can see it better. Last time we did the video, it was down in the woods. I couldn't really get around it good, but you don't run across these every day with a body as solid as this one. I would have shot if y'all didn't jump on. Oops, I just knocked over his tool. Good Lord. No, I'm good. I knocked over a screwdriver, a pry bar. I survived. Look at this, man. Yes, sir. A little bit of rot on this corner. Got a lot of car to work with here, Bobby. Claire, you do, man.
Yes, it's a whole lot of work with.
All right, folks. There it is. He's gonna give us a ride when he gets going. All right, y'all take care. We're gonna cut you loose here. Thank you. Thank you, Bobby.
Yeah, thank you, sir.